What's up, YouTube? Tuning in today for another weekly episode. We're running over to a couple of our dealer friends down the street. Shout out to Cleveland Ford Vehicles Direct. We got a couple to pick up down there. We got two of the minions here with us. Say hello, Dylan.
What's up, man?
And Nick.
What up?
Hey, David. There you go. We got Nick on the YouTube. I tried to mic him up, but he won't get on there. He said he needs a pay raise to get on YouTube, be a reality star. So we're gonna go get a new Bronco Sport, one of the little Broncos, and then got a used vehicle over at Vehicles Direct. They're used a lot, just getting some new wheels, a little Focus ST or something. So we'll get to show you a little bit of what we're gonna do on the Bronco. To probably be next week's episode before you get to see it, but at least get to show you kind of what's going to go with it. We're going to do a pretty sweet little setup, a little lift, wheels, tires, some light bars, stuff like that. Maybe a front bumper. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Make sure to get Nick on the tube for David. Get Nick walking into the store. Hurry, show Nick. See you, buddy. So that took a little longer than expected, but I had to find the vehicle. Nobody had keys, didn't know where everything was at. So we got it now, that's the main thing. We got Nick, YouTubeless Nick, heading back in the Focus ST, get some wheels on that bad boy, get it back up here to him. Uh-oh, there's a Two Bros built Bronco right there. Check that thing out. Got the top back. Dang. All right, let's go check this thing out. What's up, man? How are you, man? Good. Good to see you.
You get it out of there?
Yes, sir. We pull it right off of there. See you, man. You got it, Dylan? Yeah. See you back at the shop. All right, we got that one as well. It was lunchtime over here. All the boys were gone, so I had to figure out. Got with the receptionist there, and she got the keys for us. Getting a pretty color. You can see it right here. I don't know what they call that blue, but it's beautiful. It's a really pretty color. Gonna need some Two Bros loving. We're gonna get it dressed up and looking good. That's the mini Bronco is what I call it. That's the girly Bronco. No, not really. They look pretty good when they're dressed up. So we made it back to the shop, got the Bronco back. Check out this color, man. This color is right for sure. If that's one thing it's got going for it, it's for sure the color. These things, obviously, the big Broncos that you saw on the channel, if you've been watching, following along with us, the big Broncos are extremely hard to get. So these are some good fillers. Obviously, they released these things first. They're a little tricky. The new Bronco, the big Bronco, they kind of figured things out. They got a good bolt pattern that everybody uses. Got some lifts already in the making, bumpers, stuff like that. These didn't have as much support. I don't think there was as much demand for them. Most people are just buying these kind of leave factory, but we're gonna get some wheels and stuff ordered up for it. Do probably a small lift, a little more aggressive tire, do some lights or small bumper, brush guard, something like that up front. It'll look totally different when we're done with it. We're gonna put the Two Bros touch on it, so stay tuned for that. Just finishing this Tacoma up. Shout out to our customer Luke. He called me a week or so ago, knew exactly what he wanted. Other than tires, he knew the wheel, knew the lift he wanted. This is a very simple setup, but effective. I do a ton of these Tacomas and 4Runners this way. It's got a 3-inch lift. He wanted to do a 20-inch wheel, or the particular wheel he wanted. They only built in a 20-inch so far, the new fuel wheel. So we did a 20x9, 33-inch tire, the Nitto Ridge Grappler. Setup's gonna drive like factory, looks killer. New army green color. He's already got some roof rack and some light pods and some all of that stuff on there for a clean overland look. So this just kind of finished it off. So again, shout out to Luke. We appreciate the business. Check this thing out. Always jamming out up here. Marty, is that you jamming? Son, we got the old school stuff going. So show you a little bit about what we got going up here before we take you and show you the big truck on the Stryker kit. This one's actually one of our guys, shipping and receiving guy, Dylan, getting a 6-inch rough country lift, some tires on his factory wheels. So Drew's working on that project. Marty's working on this bad Durango here. I don't know, he's doing some rear brakes or something. Andrew, what we got going on this one over here? We got Andrew's talking to his honey, telling how sweet she is or something. Got a 6-inch lift going on the new Titan. Shout out to Mike down at Nissan of Chattanooga. He works at the Nissan dealership. Him and his buddy both are bringing us a couple of trucks. So 6-inch lift, 20-inch wheels, 34-inch tall tire, doing a Borla exhaust, brand new truck, 21 model. So this thing should be pretty sweet once we get it wrapped up. Tahoe over here, getting some performance brakes, calipers all the way around, drilled slotted rotors, some Vossen wheels. I don't know if they've made them up here yet. Let's go down front, we'll check out the Vossens. I'll show you, it's gonna look pretty good on this, this color, silver Tahoe. Shout out to Joe, he's a good customer of ours. He's got 4 or 5 vehicles. We do all his maintenance work on those and he's always sending people in. So Joe, we appreciate you. Let's go downstairs and check out the Vossens that are going on it. Got the Vossens over here, we mounted them up. We usually try to keep our wheels and tires mounted so that like when they're on the rack getting service work upstairs, man, we can slap them on, they're already ready to go, simple. These two goons over here hiding out, acting like they're working. Yep. Got the S580 in for some maintenance, wheel and tire work, finishing it up. Man, check these things out. That's gonna look sick on that silver Tahoe. I can't remember exactly what finish. I think it's tinted matte gunmetal, if I'm not mistaken. Chris, store manager, sold this package, but it's the 24-inch Vossen HF61, the hybrid forged. Very, very sweet wheel. Gonna look good on there. Let's go check out the main deal of today. We'll go show you this Luma Duty 250 that got a big kit on it. So come check this thing out.
Hey guys, it's Chris, Two Brothers Tire and Auto. Just want to show you guys a sweet setup we're fixing to do on my good customer, Mr. Joe Bennett's F-250. He's got a 2017 Super Duty. We're going to stick a 6-inch Stryker kit on. Let me show you some stuff on this kit real quick. This thing is a black and milled, all laser cut stuff. It's sweet. Featuring their L3 monotube Stryker shocks. Honestly, this is some of the best stuff on the market. I would recommend it to anybody. Good wheel and tire package we're going to throw on this thing for him. It's the 2214 American Force Data in black and milled. Getting a 38-1550 Toyo Open Country RT. This thing's going to look killer. Can't wait to show you guys.
Rides and drives like factory, rides and drives better than factory in my opinion. I'm used to the big truck stuff, so this thing turned out wicked. Shout out to Joe, he's done plenty of business with us. This is his 5th or 6th truck we've done for him, so we appreciate the repeat business for sure. Check this thing out, man. This thing turned out wicked. If we can help you build something like this, whether it be car, truck, Jeep, whatever it is, you just need some maintenance work done, come see us. You know where to find us. Shoot us a message on Facebook, Instagram, give us a phone ring, 423-790-7447. Make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe on YouTube. We're trying to get the YouTube channel built up, so we appreciate every subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you next week.